In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Xpath in Chrome quickly and easily using the built-in developer tools. This is a super useful skill if you're working with web scraping, automation, testing, or just trying to inspect page elements more efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to open DevTools, switch to the right tab, search with Xpath, and instantly highlight matching elements on the page. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and go to the web page where you want to inspect an element. Once the page is loaded, press Ctrl, Shift, and I on your keyboard. That opens Chrome Developer Tools. If you're on a Mac, you can usually use Command, Option, and I instead. When DevTools opens, you'll see several tabs and panels, and the one you want for this method is the Elements tab. If you are not already on it, click Elements at the top. The Elements tab shows the HTML structure of the page. This is where you can inspect buttons, links, images, text blocks, and other page elements. Now that you're in the Elements tab, press Ctrl and F. This opens the built-in search box inside DevTools. This search box is what lets you search the page's HTML using Xpath or other selectors. Now enter your Xpath expression. For example, if you want to find all button elements on the page, type //button. As soon as you type it, Chrome will start searching through the page structure. If there are matching elements, they will be highlighted automatically. You may also see the matched element selected in the HTML tree so you can inspect it more closely. This is incredibly helpful when you need to locate an element fast without manually scrolling through the entire code. If you want to search for other elements, you can change the XPath based on what you need. For example, you could search for links, divs, inputs, or more specific patterns depending on the page structure. The key thing to remember is that the search box in the Elements tab can help you quickly identify matching nodes on the page. Once the result is highlighted, you can expand nearby elements, check attributes, and confirm you found the right one. This method is especially useful when you're trying to build automation scripts, test website behavior, or copy an XPath for later use in tools like browser automation frameworks or scraping tools. Instead of guessing, you can verify the element directly inside Chrome. That saves time and makes your workflow much more accurate. So let's quickly recap the process. Open Chrome DevTools with Ctrl, Shift, and I, go to the Elements tab, press Ctrl and F, type your XPath, like //button, then review to highlighted matching elements. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Chrome tips, web development tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.